Hi, it's Christina here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Super excited you inquired about this 2013 Nissan Murano. It's a great steal and a great vehicle. Come on, let's take a look at it. You're going to notice it has our great Nissan sign on the front, premium alloy wheels. It's going to have premium leather interior with heated first and second row. You're going to notice it has the double sunroof along with dual climate control, backup cam. It's going to have navigation as well. Along with Bluetooth, it's going to come with all of your safety features. It's going to have your proximity key as well as your surround sound, blind spot warning, heated steering wheel, and power lift gate. But the best part about this vehicle is that you can purchase it from Tameron Hyundai. This vehicle is going to be an amazing steal for you. So give me a call. It won't last long. It's 205-314-0301. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we're sanitizing the dealership daily. It's going to be clean throughout the day on all the touch points, as well as some of our institutions are also helping us out by doing 90 days to the first payment. So give me a call. It's the best time to buy this car. It's 205-314-0301. Let me show you why you love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.